Nigerian democracy threatened? Yes. It is threatened because it's no longer serving the will and the need of the people. It's no longer accountable to the people. It's no longer delivering results that the people require in critical areas of development, education, health, and pulling them out of poverty. Once the democracy is no longer serving the people, is no longer caring for them, is no longer securing them and everything, it's threatened.
Okay. So, please, what are your strategies in the upcoming days to change the government?
It is not my strategy. It is the strategy of the people. For democracy to thrive and survive, the people must own it. They must see it as their own. So it is Nigerian people that have to come out and say, well, listen, we cannot continue in this direction by going out to register their vote, insisting that their vote must count. They must know that their singular vote they have in their hand is what is they will use to ensure that those that elect serve them, those that elect care for them, those that elect prioritize their need in areas of education, health, and pulling them out of poverty, in securing them. So they need to come out and demand right governance through ensuring that people who serve them well are elected. It's to get involved in the electoral process and ensure that leaders have competence, the capacity, the character, and compassion and commitment to lead are elected.